Hey everyone, welcome to Personal Money Management. This is normally a weekly video or bi-weekly video that I produce called What's Going On. And in this video, I usually lay out as far as what we're trying to do for the week or weeks, what our goals are, what's out there to make sure you know what's happening. And it's going to be posted on my main Schoology page. So first of all, let's talk a little bit about my Schoology page. First of all, this classroom is pretty much flipped, where I have instructional videos pretty much for everything that we're doing out there that you can view prior to us going over it. And the also nice thing about this is as you're sitting down to do the assignments, you can watch the videos. I have videos on how to do each assignment pretty much. So again, you can sort of go back and sort of view that at your leisure. Make sure you have the tools to do whatever you need to do and be successful at this. So let's talk a little bit about my Schoology course here. So I rely 100% on scheduling things. So again, use your calendar. So when you have your calendar listed here, so you can see for the next 2 weeks, these are the assignments that are due. This is not when I assign them. These are when they are due. So again, please make sure you understand that as you're going through this. It's okay to work ahead a little bit. Don't fall behind. I typically, don't push things too far out for you. But again, I do want you to make sure you understand that, again, this is the tool that, in Schoology that's going to be your key to your success. So use this calendar here. And again, that's simply mimicking what you're seeing over here along the right-hand side for the upcoming. I also use an agenda here, and the agenda will also repeat the same information. For any reason, if I have to modify a date, you're going to want to go by the dates listed here in Schoology on this right-hand side or on your calendar, if I would not change it here. But again, tentatively, this is what we're looking at, okay? This is where we're at and where we want to go with this. So I have weekly assignments with dates listed there. I have the assignment folders. And again, you can click on these links and it will take you directly to that assignment folder, but I want to show you where they're located in my course. I also list must-watch videos. These are all videos associated with assignments. Um, and again, like I said, it's going to be one of those things where, I might talk about it in Zoom, but then until you actually sit down and do it, you might forget about something. So you have a lot of references out there to be successful on this. I also have other resources that refer back to maybe the particular topic that we're on right now. It's simply going to be the first unit that I'm going to ask you to read through and make sure you understand vocabulary, understand some basic concepts. I also do some type of look ahead. And again, so really this, by looking at the agenda for the next 2 weeks, you can sort of see where this unit exam is going to fall in February. So again, you can be prepared and you know what's going on with this. So again, use my agenda. Everything's on there for the links. So as far as course materials go, again, you want to come underneath here, this NEFI Module 1. We're going to start off with money management. Everything's going to be broken down here as far as what we're doing here. This is my resources and videos. So a lot of times I have some things pertaining to the overall unit in here, which is just going to be the reading and also the overview video that I have assigned. And then I'll list everything out in weeks. Now, right now, you can't see everything that's listed here. So right now, you'll be able to see the first week. And again, sort of getting started, I sort of combine everything in here, but you're looking for these yellow folders. These are going to be my assignment folders. So within this values and spending folder, this is going to have everything you need to know about the particular assignment and what we want to do. And again, I'll talk more about this later on, but again, this is just a general, hey, what's happening? How do you navigate? And what are you looking for? So again, this would be important to understand how we're going to work through this together. And again, I want everyone to be successful with this and make sure we understand what we have to do and my expectations for you to do this. But again, like I said, these yellow folders are going to be the individual assignment folders. So when you come back out here and look at your calendar over here, when you're looking for values and spending, SMART goals, and my decision, okay, these are all these yellow folders underneath module 1, underneath the week that we're working on, so you know exactly what we're doing this week. And again, I have individual videos that talk about what each one is going to do and what we have to do. So as far as starting off, gang, what I'd like you to do is obviously start going through this first video I made for you about the overview of money management. And we'll talk a little bit about what influences purchasing decisions and how can you establish and come up with good financial goals. I also would like, and I guess maybe before I move on, I also like you to go back and read through that chapter. I have the PDF. There's no textbooks that we use in this course other than the PDFs that I have online. So you have everything remotely. You want to bring your computers to class ready to go because, again, a lot of times I'll give you work time within our classroom when we are meeting to do things. So you must be prepared for that. And again, so anyway, I like you to go through the reading. I also would like to get a better idea of what type of person you are, what things you like. So I have something that we did in the beginning of the year, and I sort of like this assignment where it's sort of fun to do. I ask you to make a Bitmoji, and I want you to post this. Again, the criteria on this will be out here, so I have some listings up here. I've actually listed something here, what I do, and again, you get some idea of what I like to do outside of school. As you see me right now, I'm sitting here in a flannel shirt. A little bit later on today, I'll probably be watching some of the AFC and the NFC championship games. So, and again, like I said, right now, I like to get to know you since we have multiple groups and we have CBVA groups. This is something you can do. Now, I asked people to do this beginning of the year, and I know some other teachers in the business department have done this as well. So if you have something already created, you most certainly can use that. You can tweak it. You can just add your comments on here. But again, this is the first assignment that I'm asking you to go back and do. And again, that's going to be due as you look at your calendar here out here on Friday night. So if you could make a post out there, we're going to start off with this. So welcome everyone to Personal Money Management. Again, we have a lot of things that we need to get through, and again, we'll be very organized about this, and I'm here to help. Please reach out to me if you need anything. Again, welcome, and look forward to meeting everyone. Take care. Bye.